Hi, the next video is one taken in January. It was a celebration for my birthday and Alfie's birthday, a combined one. My daughter treated us all to a visit to the Paddington Experience in London. Sadly, no filming was allowed inside, so the only bit we've got is a bit at the beginning and a bit at the end. The rest of the video is getting there and after we left. So anyway, make of it what you will and enjoy.
I know you're a scaredy cat, but you do have a dog.
Oi! Here we are on Westminster Bridge. And to prove it, here we are. Speaking to you from here. Now you can see the London Eye. We was only here a little while ago having coffee in St Thomas's. Shrek's still there, Toby.
Have you had the date with that lady yet?
Oh yeah, she dumped me.
Good.
We went there because Alf, I said to Kat and Seaside Grandma about going there because it had loads of animals in it, but the food was horrendous.
Where?
Service, remember when we went to that restaurant?
Oh, what, the Jungle Cafe? Where we waited an hour and a half for a pizza.
Oh, go for it. No, forgot the one that didn't they?
What time we booked for? 1:30? Yeah, I said what time we booked? 1:30? If you go over there, into the ground floor of the hospital, there's loads of toilets, you can get a coffee and...
Oh, is there?
Yeah, there's a Marks and Spencer's cafe and... That's what we do.
Go to the toilet over there, much better.
In the St Thomas's.
Let's go for a toilet.
There's no
Welcome aboard this special marmalade day service to Windsor Garden.
You know, it's not every day you get to be on a train like this one with English oak plush velvet seats. Nothing but the best for Paddington and his friends. Now, Lloyd, look at all these smiling faces bursting with excitement.
This is a special non-stop service to Windsor Garden. We will not be calling at any other stations, so do be asking yourselves, am I on the correct train?
It's pretty amazing.
Do you want to go out then?
Yeah.
Need the toilet before we go?
No.
Alfie's been in there.
I'm used to South London. Well, I have got one. You can bring me more information.
I thought that you didn't say much of Paddington, did you?
No. I thought we was going to go on a ride, sort of thing as well, but don't do it. Sorry.
But to be honest, yeah, you got
Prick.
Pardon?
I said prick.
Mine was on the run.
I can.
That's flying quite low.
Yeah. That's where he paid 45 quid. There. From those shots he gave, that was where the 45 quid was. Standing in there.
No.
Yes. That's the only bit where you get that view of the eye.
No better off being in them buildings there.
Yeah. I had a brilliant one in Auckland. I think Alfie should choose because it's his birthday. You chose Pizza Express, did you? I'll go along with that. It ain't hard. What do you think of it so far?
We wait until a boat comes under the bridge and watch it.
You might have to wait 3 weeks
Why?
for a boat.
Oh no, here comes the train anyway.
That's Charing Cross. That's where the train to our house is. Together, happiest to be. One, two, look, everybody's walking in the wrong lane.
Including you.
Yeah, I've just seen the arrows. But everybody coming the other way is in the wrong one. They don't know what the arrows are painted on the floor for.
How long does it take to go around?
Obviously. Keep to the left. I don't. Do Peter Express do ice cream?
If they don't, Mummy will find you ice cream, don't worry.
There's loads of ice cream shops.
I only found like 8. Is 2 on that side.
Oh, there'll be loads up here, promise.
Because I've already seen 2 over there.
Have you?
Uh-huh.
But we do pizza first. Huh? Keep to the left.
Is that boat going under the bridge or coming towards us?
No, he's going away. That's his stern light, not his bow light.
Mummy, who's here? Are we going to take a bus?
Like your Christmas present.
Yeah.
A lot of that up here.
A lot of what?
Rubbish.
Yeah. Most of it's in the human form.
Whilst they're going to swing,
That roundabout, as you call it, is Trafalgar Square. Keep left, it says. Amazing, isn't it? We're the only 2 on the whole bridge that's keeping left like it tells you to.
How much do you know?
All the time.
Don't need you moaning.
Good job we do it on the road though, isn't it? The roundabout is called Trafalgar Square.
no one's going to just crowd and free.
Oh, it's what used to be the old Lion's Corner house. And they used to have the nippies in there.
There's a timer as well. Even less though.